The 2026 Honda Zoomer X arrives with a bold statement, redefining the standards of what a compact urban scooter should be. This latest iteration of Honda's iconic scooter combines futuristic styling, a tech-forward approach, and practicality for everyday commuting. It is not just a facelift of the previous versions, it's a true evolution, retaining the adventurous DNA of the Zoomer series while offering a fresh and aggressive look that appeals to the new generation of riders. With a rugged frame, exposed body elements, and a sharp LED lighting system, the 2026 Zoomer X balances minimalism and attitude in a way that turns heads on the street. Underneath the striking exterior, Honda has equipped the 2026 Zoomer X with a refined 149cc liquid-cooled, fuel-injected single-cylinder engine that delivers reliable power for urban travel. This upgraded engine offers better acceleration, more efficient fuel consumption, and quieter operation compared to its predecessors. Whether you're zipping through tight city corners or cruising on open roads, the Zoomer X handles effortlessly, thanks to its responsive throttle and lightweight frame. The continuously variable transmission, CVT, ensures a smooth ride, letting riders focus on the road ahead without worrying about gear changes. It's a scooter made for riders who value both convenience and performance. What truly makes the 2026 Zoomer X stand out is its versatility and the way it embraces the modern rider's lifestyle. Honda has retained the under-seat storage cavity that's now even more accessible and larger than ever, making it perfect for stashing a backpack, groceries, or a helmet. There's also a built-in USB-C charging port, so you can keep your devices powered up on the go, a must-have for today's digitally connected riders. The redesigned dashboard features a full digital LCD display with enhanced visibility in bright conditions, offering real-time metrics like speed, fuel level, trip meter, and even smartphone notifications via Bluetooth connectivity. The scooter's ergonomics have been fine-tuned for comfort and agility. The seat height is manageable for a wide range of riders, while the flat floorboard and wide handlebar design ensure a relaxed riding position. The telescopic front forks and rear monoshock suspension absorb most road imperfections, delivering a smooth and stable experience even on bumpy city streets. Whether you're commuting daily or just taking a ride for fun, the Zoomer X delivers a sense of control and ease that makes it highly addictive to ride. Plus, with a curb weight of just under 240 pounds, it's light enough for quick maneuvering but solid enough to feel stable at higher speeds. Safety has also seen a boost in the 2026 model. Honda has incorporated a front and rear disc braking system with a standard anti-lock braking system, ABS, giving riders enhanced braking power and confidence in all weather conditions. The tires are slightly wider than before, adding to the grip and overall stability, while the frame has been reinforced to improve crash resistance. There's even a side stand engine cutoff feature to ensure you never accidentally ride off without retracting it, a small but thoughtful detail that reflects Honda's commitment to rider safety. Aesthetically, the 2026 Zoomer X walks the line between futuristic design and industrial edge. It comes in a palette of fresh color options, including matte black, cyber green, neon orange, and metallic graphite. The exposed subframe and aggressive headlight design give it a Street Fighter personality, while optional accessories like side panels, seat covers, and handlebar wraps allow for personalization. Honda has also introduced a special edition model that features camo graphics and anodized components aimed at the adventure-loving crowd. It's clear the brand is leaning into the lifestyle appeal, making the Zoomer X not just a mode of transport, but a form of self-expression. For environmentally conscious riders, the Zoomer X continues to be a smart choice. The upgraded engine complies with the latest emission standards and is engineered to minimize CO2 output. Honda's idle stop system automatically shuts the engine off at traffic lights and restarts instantly when the throttle is engaged, helping reduce fuel usage and noise pollution. This feature, along with its efficient fuel economy, rated at over 100 mpg, makes it one of the most eco-friendly scooters in its class. It's a win-win for the urban commuter who wants to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing mobility. From a pricing standpoint, Honda has kept the Zoomer X competitive. It offers exceptional value given its technology, design, and performance. With a base price just under $3,500, it's within reach for students, young professionals, and anyone looking for an affordable, stylish alternative to a car or larger motorcycle. Optional add-ons such as upgraded lighting, additional cargo space, and Bluetooth helmet integration can tailor the experience to suit individual needs. And as always, Honda's reputation for durability and low maintenance costs means you're investing in a machine built to last. In today's world of smart devices and compact living, the Zoomer X feels like the perfect two-wheeled companion. It bridges the gap between tech, function, and fun with a level of polish that only a brand like Honda can deliver. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about doing it in style, with a machine that feels responsive, personal, and engaging. Whether you're a first-time rider or a seasoned commuter, the 2026 Zoomer X offers a refreshing blend of innovation and simplicity that makes every ride something to look forward to. As we look toward the future of urban mobility, it's clear that compact, agile scooters like the Zoomer X will play a major role. They represent freedom, independence, and a smarter way to navigate the modern city. Honda's latest offering not only keeps up with the trends, it sets them. The 2026 Zoomer X proves that sometimes, big changes come in small packages, and with this scooter, the streets will never feel the same again.